Lakes are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. From the shallow shores to the deepest depths, each zone plays a vital role. Littoral zone. This is the shallow nearshore area where sunlight penetrates all the way to the bottom, allowing aquatic plants to grow. Limnetic zone. Water area where sunlight penetrates but does not reach the bottom. Profundal zone. Deep beneath the surface where sunlight cannot reach, this zone is typical low in oxygen or no oxygen. Unfortunately, this balance is threatened. When untreated waste, including toxins, nutrients, and organic matter, enters the lake, it sinks and accumulates in the profundal zone. The profundal zone acts as a sink for pollutants. Without sunlight and oxygen, the breakdown of these waste occurs anaerobically, which produces methane. Methane accumulates in the sediments and water of the profundal zone, forming methane hotspots. Disturbances like temperature changes or strong currents can cause this methane to rise to the surface of the lake. Here it mixes with air, creating a volatile situation. A spark, a lightning strike, even human activity, any ignition source can turn this invisible threat into a raging inferno. Lake fires are devastating, causing ecological damage and endangering lives. We must act now to protect our lakes. Proper wastewater treatment and bioremediation solutions can help restore the balance and ensure these vital ecosystems continue to thrive. Organica Biotech offers innovative biological solutions for wastewater treatment and pond-toward lake bioremediation, helping to protect and restore our aquatic ecosystems. To know more, get in touch today.